BMW 2005 Z4, replacing the housing oil gasket. So I'm not sure how to replace it. Move the airbox, which I already did, 1 to 10 volts, and remove the sensor right here, unplug it, and then it comes out like that, and then it has this little clamp just loose, so you can take it out, and it connects right here too. From there I went ahead and took this pulley out, and it has a cover right here. Which it connects right there. See, like this pulley right here, that's where you're gonna undo the belt. So which I already did. The belt is right here. I put right here on this side. You don't need to lose the other one in the back. It has two belts, one for the AC and one for the alternator. So I went ahead and removed the pulley, which I already showed you right here. They have a bolt right here on the back too, a 16mm, which I already removed right now. I'm almost done removing it, and to take out the alternator, and then just wiggle around this thing. And I'm just gonna stop filming so then they can take out this with both hands, and then and I'll show you the process. So I already disconnect the alternator, the cable too as well, and this is the filter housing, and the housing is all the way in the back right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these six bolts, which is one right there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is that one in the back right here. So, and then I'm just gonna expose the gasket, and before doing that I'm gonna remove the cap, and I'm gonna like drain the oil that is sitting right here, and then from there I'm gonna start working on disassemble the housing. So I went ahead and removed the cap right here, and like clean the oil inside, and then remove the 6 bolts that I said. Just make sure you label your bolts 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. They're all different sizes, and they're right here. So this is how I'm gonna put it back, and then since I'm here already, I'm gonna replace the oil VANOS, the oil pressure hose right here. I already lose the bolt here is a 19mm. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the whole housing with it right here. And as you can see right there, that's the little square right there. That's where the housing is gonna sit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording, and I'm gonna use my other. So I already cleaned this part where the gasket is gonna sit with the blue towel right there, and I cleaned the mess right there too with a little brush, and then I went ahead and replaced the gasket already, and the VANOS hose too. So the part for the VANOS hose is, let me see if I can, right there. This is for the VANOS, and this is for the gasket. For the gasket that goes right here, the housing, and it's called flange gasket. The part number is right there on the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this baby back. So while being here, you can also just replace the new one, this part right here, and you can see the one that goes connected to this part right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. Okay, so I already installed the gasket and the filter back, the housing. I already torqued the 6 bolts, 1 2 3 4 5 and a 6 to 16 foot-pounds, and right now I'm installing the VANOS hose, which is right here. It goes all the way in the back, so the same setting. I don't know if you can see it right there. Just with the 19mm, just snag it, and the same setting is the same setting like this one right here. Let's see my camera. Right there. So it has 2 washers. Okay, the hose has 2 settings, 2 washers. You see, I haven't tightened this one. It has one washer has it right here, and one washer goes on the other side. So pretty much the hose goes in between the washers, and yes, you wanna start with that one side first, and then this one. So just snag the other one, and then tie this one, and then just go back on the one. So at this point, I think I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna go back and pull back the alternator and the belt and the airbox, and I should be done.